The new Corolla Cross. Fill it with friendship and family. The new Corolla Cross. Filled with life.
It ends 2-0 at the new arena, but the arena when junior.
Yeah.
Amstel Arena Stadium, where Orlando Pirates just won by 2-0, beating Imagesi. Kumdlalo Petro Premiership at the sold-out Orlando Stadium. Junior, ngibukela nawo umdlalo fethu kunjani?
Shane, my brother, kunjani?
I'm okay.
As compliment ama-supporter we-Orlando Pirates.
Wow.
Yeah, sicela namanye ama-team afunde man.
Kwenziwe kanje.
Yeah, Shane ngibulise mfethu kunjani? Ngibulise wena, ngibulise uJustice. Nkululeko my brother. Ngibulise uBenedict Sovilakazi. Bafethu kunjani, keep on supporting iDiski TV, fighting no one tries to fix South African football. Wonderful first half from Orlando Pirates. They play like champions for me. Orlando Pirates this season, season mayiqala. Bebadlala so mfethu. Sengikhuluma nje all the games, ngikhuluma ngeconsistency. Once Pirates breaks you, there was no way you can defend once they break you. They've got individual brilliance. Asikhulume ngegame namhlanje. Pirates, I think today's game first half they dominate game.
Yeah.
That I think so many ball possession chain created so many chances as well. Well done to individual brilliance also Mfokeng.
Yeah.
Great running, ngikhuluma ngegol number 1 mfana breaking. Kwazi ukudlala off the ball. I think lo mfana number 10 namhlanje he did very well lo mfana first half decide game. Link up between striker Mbutuma and we link between midfield and Mbutuma. Well done to the boy and
Sorry, work to say, but does it deserve it?
I'm not too sure about the man of the match because second half not much of him.
Not much, yeah.
But because of he created and he scored some guy chance. And
Yeah.
who else if
Awuniki
I think he's
That's
one
what
of the
I thought.
best first half engibonile from him Mfokeng this
Yeah.
boy. Dlale njenge a season player. Like I'm a play number season 945. One of the best talent odlale kahle mfana. I always say if Mfokeng is on song Orlando Pirates uzoyibona. I think Mbatha complemented him very well. Mbatha bekavela in the midfield. Domfana Usiema is playing like he's more of an offensive player. Ngikhumbula abo Marquinhos. Lo mfana lo ya Pirates players, uMakhehleni if he's playing in the middle, you don't expect NH uMakhehleni akaveli. Even if you avela, you will play a negative pass. But well done to this boy. If Mbatha abahleli naye, ngoba Mbatha uye bekathena playing these forward passes. But bebathi mabahlala naye, this boy will attack a space ngalo mfana uSiyema. Ayakwazi passa. He can pass inside, he can pass lace and accuracy. And always we bekathola these forward passes labantu abaphambili ngikhuluma ngaba bomfukeng. Well done to the boy, also complimented by Undaba. I have to compliment him. Did very well. Orlando Pirates amawing wabo, I need to be honest, first half not much of him. Mremi playing on the other side to dlala ka right I think if you play him ka right ufuna breaker, I don't think you'll get early ball from him, early balls. Always uzofuna ukulvala cause akusi stronger foot sakhe lo mfana. And manga check first half how many times he got the ball wrong decision. Sometimes and ama-player Pirates need to learn this. Le game bekumele bayiwine 4-5 decision making. Lento le I think it's a problem with their players amongst themselves. They need to talk. If some player score, teammate yakho score. If you pass your teammate,
That's
you
what I
score.
said last
I
week.
think it's everybody win. Ngoba ngiyabona Pirates they break. Somebody muntu ku tight angle want to shoot. Sometimes I miss the target. Leyo nto leyo ngibona ngathi abayiboni because le game bekumele bayiwine nga 4-5 if they were deciding properly. First half as ngisho Pirates wonderful performance, movement of the ball, also like lama accuracy sharing the ball and never miss pass. Well done to Orlando Pirates playing according to his strengths sabo. Maba breakile njoba ngisho London 18. iPirates le ngibonile mina first half of the season before Swego of Con. But now I think they started slow ngale draw and now Orlando Pirates first half well done to them. Second half asikhulume ngalesi team Magesi. I'm not too sure about their team inexperience. First 5 minutes, it looked like they wanted to challenge Orlando Pirates. After Pirates, iqala ithole goal, and then they started to panic. I mean, inexperienced players. Also, the quality. I think there's no way they can meet the quality of Orlando Pirates, these guys. I could see, I'm not too sure instruction from the bench. Now they were started to defend, but I look defender very deep. Low block now. And like mabaphasana labantu laba wena Shane ngibabonile first 5 minutes when they start trying to pass each other I think they look better whereby they frustrate Orlando Pirates though bebangana indlela obviously there was no way they can score Orlando Pirates bese kule game nabo bangazi ukuthi how they gonna get a goal truly speaking they play against ngoba ama player ngihlale ngisho when you go to Pirates or Chiefs mina ngihlale ngiconcede ukuthi you playing to udlala ku full capacity ama player akwazi ukudlala ku crowd you can go wherever I don't care who says what true ama player they are good to certain teams when you go to Orlando Pirates mawudlala Pirates so ne crowd izokudla I mean this team inexperienced team they play against Orlando Pirates once Pirates scored the first goal now they're panicking you could see giving away amabola now after Pirates score they were a bit shaking and also yabona instruction ukuthi baphethu let's come and defend let's be compact very close to each other Radi Pirates score 4-5 I think that was the instruction after first goal bebangana my intention how many shots on target ba break kayingaki I'm talking about lama 1v1 noma balwini ibola he's looking to play a negative pass and uyambona ukuthi akazami nokutake somebody on noma kuyi 1v1 kuba na this thing ukuthi hey oh just play the ball back and then aselqale phansi and lonto leyo ku Pirates thank you and then thola ukuthi i Pirates mangabe lona liwela kibo because Pirates what they do each and every game they play they turn it defensive to attack bazohamba balwine from you and then they break you they're not going to play backwards it's hardly to them ukuthi balidlale at the back and then they'll rotate at the back lizas as count no if they break you outnumbered uzolanda ne-18 either mhlambe kube decision making or the goalkeeper save you so second half Shane, if I can be honest, I think I'm a wrong sub. Maketleni was supposed to be eliminated for me. Yes.
You took last sub ka Maketleni and Namtajel. I mean, Gambata no.
Leave Mbata.
You feel like they should have subbed Maketleni.
Leave Mbata. Maketleni, truly speaking, with the team, the weak team, number 16, true. You can't say Pirates well done to them for punishing these guys. And Pirates played very well. We need to be honest. Pirates, they show up, energy, play like Pirates, identity. Yabo, a very fluid Orlando Pirates, but true good team, very weak team. Honestly, Master Skulman and Javar in the middle field, not much of challenging Orlando Pirates. These are inexperienced. Umaketleni, so many negative pass. Shane, even if you don't screen as a senior player, just screen her, check at the back before you can play that ball, leave a negative pass. Singatena sit break and then it's totally cool. Mbata did very well, improve it, mfana. Hardly lose the ball. Nyabona breaks the line ngala mapola wake. And access Mbata passa abu throw in. No. Umbata pass his teammate. No, well done to the boy. I think he has improved energy. We are a compliment and now we had to lose the ball. And who you want to bring him? Because number 8 in Bonile first half, sort of a box to box. Number 8, very dangerous player in Bonile and always you get him when you attack, you get him when you defend. So according to me, we have against with the Orlando Pirates, if he was not there, I don't think Bebazobana alone. But also, Njobangisho, Gim, Isapiaki, it was unnecessary. I don't know why Sibona ngokufana. Ngihlale ngimcompliment why ungamasap wakhe ukuthi win came from the bench. Eliminator uMaketleni. I'm not too sure why I'm qinile. Also the game drop makaceda ukuthi am eliminated lo mfana. Second half I don't think Orlando Pirates came to the party. Too many yes nibe nama chance to clear that we needed to punish.
There was a big difference between the first half Orlando Pirates and the second half Orlando Pirates.
The answer is very simple. The coach ifune experiment. Like he gave these players honestly yabona kunama player mangiba nje nevar kuwe. Game njoba ngisho bekungamelanga Umbata coming out. Yabo leave Umbata and put Nomtetshela eliminate this guy uMaketleni Makhawula so that phela uNomtetshela naye makangena ngizomcompliment the boy did very well. I'll be honest ku wonke amasub Orlando Pirates that came I think is a sub that I will compliment him. Sibelebele first half not much of fun run going forward. Ile side la kandaba leli I think coach uyibonile I think mabadlala ngomuntu odlala ngeweaker foot on the right hand side which is Umrimi angithi udlala ngeweaker foot ama first time ball akawadlali mela licarry cala khathi ina afuna ukushoota yabo that's why afuna ama spectacular cause ukhatha in bana this thing ukuthi technically very good but now Fanroy akayanga bebafuna lento ngosibelebele mabamfaka but sibelebele naye into ekumele ayilungise mfethu forget ukuthi uqale kanjani Orlando Pirates aqala phansi it's gone idlulile Be simple boy. Now even na last corner la Pirates izodraw.
Yeah.
You break bakunika laphayana. Just cross the ball namhla uyenzile. Tight angle you want to
Even today.
ngisho kanjalo today you want to score ku tight angle. I don't think it's a good thing for umfana. Umfana just cross the ball isikhashaza. Nangu lo mjita lo the one set up. Square pass. Bekazoshuta lapha trying to impress the coach. Phela laphayana a simple pass. Sizobheka masibuya ubheka video analysis. Noma ngabe sibhekanga video analysis, you assistile. And then almost De Jong got a goal and then Mesotho umsedami Pirates won 3. So now I think kumele silungise lo mfana usibelebele uyakhuphuka umremu ungena ngaphakathi and just cross the ball kunenamba eboxini. Decision making I think ikula magoli ayi 2 second half iphinde and let that down, but none other than that not the better second half Orlando Pirates, but well done to Pirates for winning. I think much better this season, especially game lokuqala phela game lokuqala ben frustrated, not much of movement, not creativity. Lo Mofokeng is star yalazi ibhola. I think class is permanent ngihlale ngisho and into mawazi uyazi and the mindset today you wanted to play, you could tell the body language. Lo mfana makaonsong Pirates will play. And ispine senu ngiyasicompliment lo mfana Mofokeng playing as number 10 and Umbatha as well. Lo mfana CM I need to compliment. Lo mfana ungikhumbuza like these Brazilian defenders. He played like a offensive player and uhlula abantu abaningi even middle filters to pass accuracy and technically very good. Well done to Orlando Pirates.
Thank you so much, Junior. This is Orlando Stadium. I'm still Orlando Arena, whatever. Every song I Junior. To be shy,
yeah, Orlando.
Yeah, I think corner is sweet. I'm still a figure corner. I think we better 24 hours.
Yeah.
But girl, please don't drink and drive. I see promote like TV. Don't drink and drive. If you have to go to Zafika and enjoy, just make sure one banum does Africa Kubelu figure safe because we still need you. Season is end. But I'm trying to get the Amstel Orlando Arena. It's Orlando Pirates 2, Makesi 0. Thank you so much for watching Itiski TV.
All about Fetu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niazi Bafetu, I'm a coach for life. They are back in winning ways. Please, I tell you to subscribe to Itiski TV.